Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Friday, March 5th, 2021. It is 10:48 and 37 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, tracking proteins. So let's hop to it here. Tracking proteins in the heart of cells. Date March 5th, 2021. Source, University of Geneva. Summary. The cell must provide its various organelles with all the energy elements they need, which are formed in the Golgi apparatus. But how do the proteins that carry these cargoes? The kinsins find their way within the cell's road network to deliver them at the right place. Researchers have discovered a fluorescent chemical dye, making it possible for the first time to track the transport activity of a specific motor protein within a cell. It all started from a research that didn't go as planned. Initially, researchers wanted to develop a molecule that would make it possible to visualize the stress level of the cell, i.e., when it accumulates too much active oxygen species. During the experiment, the molecule did not work, but crystallized. Why did it crystallize? What were these crystals? The first hypothesis suggested that crystallization was due to the microtubules that polymerize. Microtubules are small rigid tubes that can grow or shrink and constitute the road network that allows molecules to move around the cell. The second hypothesis made Golgi's apparatus responsible for this chemical reaction. The last possibility suggested that the crystals were the result of the small steps made by the kinsin proteins in the microtubules as they move within the cell. Researchers first recreated microtubules that they purified, which takes 14 hours. For the kinesins, the motor proteins that move on the microtubules and transport cargo, researchers isolated them from the bacteria. The scientists then put together about 20 different mixtures containing the small molecule QPD, which is systematically present in the crystals, and observed which solution worked. Researchers wanted to know what was needed to form the crystals, the microtubules, the kinesin, yet another protein. Following various experiments, the researchers discovered that the formation of these crystals was caused by one of the 45 types of kinesin present in the cell. With each small step that this kinesin protein takes on the molecule, it uses energy that leaves a trace identified by the QPD molecule. It is from this recognition that the crystals are formed. In this way, the crystals are chemically left behind by the passage of the kinesin, which can be tracked by scientists like a small thumb. Until now, it has not been possible to track a particular protein. With current techniques, we couldn't separate the individual kinesins, so we couldn't see which path they took precisely. Thanks to the development of our new chemical fluorescent dye, we can observe in detail how a protein behaves, which route it takes, its direction, or even its preferred path. For the first time, scientists can visualize the walking path of motor proteins and study the fundamental question of the transport activity and distribution of cargoes in cells. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.